the PC doesn't light up when powered on. So unang-una, ulit, cable. Check the cable. If the cable is plugged in properly naman, try another cable. Diba? Tapos, if it's plugged into a power strip, yung extension cord, try plugging it directly sa wall or try plugging it to a different wall outlet. Minsan kasi, sa mga, lalo na yung mga lumang bahay, hindi consistent yung power or yung electricity na nagfo-flow sa mga outlets. So, try nyo lang if ever ayaw mag-on. Try nyo isaksak sa ibang saksakan. And, try nyo palitan ng cable. Minsan yun yung nasisira na una, yung cable, yung power cable. Ito naman,